Alright, what is up guys? JaretCampisi with the beautiful Christina K. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Warhorse of Camp Hill and our custom full carbon, soon to be 2025 Ducati Panigale V4. Today we're going to be doing a Superlight chain and sprocket along with some other goodies. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Alright, so we're going to start off with the unboxing thanks to the beautiful Christina K.
Unboxing queen, baby.
She is the designated world-class unboxer.
Doesn't get any
I
better
do
than
want
this.
to give a massive shout out to MotoMillion. If you guys want any parts for your motorcycles, go to motomillion.com, use my code CAMPISI to save yourself some money, and I thank you to everybody who does do that because it directly supports myself and local business who's a good friend of mine, and I really appreciate it. So what we're going to be doing today,
Starting out with the chocolate bar.
Superlight chain and sprocket. It does look like a chocolate bar, which is
Willy
pretty
Wonka.
which is pretty awesome.
Is the golden ticket in here?
I've got a golden ticket.
Oh, it is
Ooh,
gold.
it is a golden ticket. There you go.
Damn.
So 520. Fun fact: the new Panigales come with a 520 chain and sprocket,
It's not your black and
which
gold
is
one
pretty
like you've
crazy.
done. This
No, this
all
is a gold, all gold, which I thought would be cool since the whole bike's going to be satin carbon. I thought it would be cool to have like a little pop of some color.
Okie dokie.
Rear sprocket, which is a Sita, however you want to say it.
see you.
Blacked out sprocket, and that's it. We're going to reuse the front sprocket because it's already 520 and there's no need to change it, and you won't see it anyway. And then so that's it for the chain and sprocket. Probably not going to shave much weight since the base setup is a 520 setup, but we will weigh stuff regardless. And then these are really cool. So now that there's a double-sided swing arm, you've got these measurements on each side for the chain adjusters, and Duca Bike makes black versions. Yeah, look at that. So this is going to replace the silver ones. I can actually show you right here. So see these right here? Those are going to get replaced on both sides. It's actually a bummer because I don't have this wheel nut or whatever you want to call it in black, but I will eventually have that. And we're going to have a I'm just waiting on a bunch of parts right now from MotoMillion. So unfortunately I wasn't able to get as much. I actually wanted to have the rear carbon hugger for this, and I wanted to have the carbon swing arm covers, and even this piece too. So it would have like fully completed this back here, because it's weird, there's just not that much stuff back here compared to with the single-sided setup. But these chain adjusters will be getting replaced as well. And then the final cool thing is, which we're trying to get rid of as much of the like aluminum parts as possible, all the silver parts. Right here, check this thing out. No, I'm saying like the aluminum colored stuff, like the silver stuff. Check this out. This came in.
It's a new leg.
Kickstand.
A new leg
Black
for the bike.
out
Look at that
kickstand.
beast.
Yeah, absolutely
So
beautiful
good.
from Motocourse. We've used these in the past. One of my favorites. We tried the
Look at
carbon kickstand and
that.
just felt a little too sketchy. So that's going to replace that. We actually have Gillies blacked out rear sets on the way too that we're waiting on. So
This.
basically getting rid of both of those two parts.
Once you go black,
Replacing them
never
with
go
black.
back, baby.
Yeah, it's
Look
going to
at
look a
that.
lot better. And once we get all the carbon pieces back here, I mean, we've got so
I added
much.
this up here.
That was on-
like here.
Yeah, that
and
was
then look at the leg piece.
to
Look
grab
at
it.
the bottom. Look how
Yeah.
tiny it is.
Mm-hmm. It's cool.
I like it.
It is. It's really cool
With
looking.
nice like gills on there.
And that's to reach
Yeah.
easier to
So
reach
you can
it.
bring
Yeah,
it
because a
down.
lot of people have problems grabbing the rear kickstand.
Yep, I've been there.
Yeah, I'm pretty flexible and I have long legs, so I don't really have that issue. Speaking of flexible, check out my new links
Oh God.
in the description below. But anyway, huge thank you to MotoMillion for sending out those parts. Use my code CAMPISI, save yourself some money. Don't forget, you can enter to win this bike. Patreon.com/CAMPISI Customs is always the first link in the description below.
Hey, guess what else?
What's up?
I'm super flexible too.
Whoa, look at her.
Got a cramp.
Oh my God, that would have been amazing. She just fell over. All right, we're gonna push this in the back and hand it over to Caleb. And then real quick, I want to remind you guys, I do have both my Lamborghini bikes, collaboration bikes with Ducati here at Warhorse. They are available for sale. So my Lamborghini Diavolo 1260 and the Street Fighter. If you're interested, hit up Warhorse and let them know you saw them on my videos, and they'll do their best to make you a great deal. This Tricolore is also for sale. 3 of the coolest Ducatis, I would say, to come out in a long time. Pretty badass lineup here at Warhorse at Camp Hill, and they actually have a lot of really cool bikes in here, not only in the Ducati section, but all across the showroom too. So yeah, come on down, check out some bikes before we enter winter and let's enjoy the rest of the riding season. All right, so the right side chain adjuster actually has, well, it goes this way, but it also connects the rear caliper, and that has to come off anyway when we take the rear wheel off, which we also have to do for the chain and sprocket. So he's gonna remove the caliper. There are some, is that the sensor back here?
Yeah, I already took that one.
Yeah, so the sensor's gotta come off. He's gonna move some stuff. There's some shims we gotta keep. I'm gonna assume they probably go back in. Yeah. All right, cool. It's a shame we don't have this right now, huh?
We'll be back.
He'll be back. So I've actually never seen anyone do this before, but he put the whole braking system and all the cables and everything into like a baggie, like a cloth baggie that would come with. Look at that, and just tied it off. That way it stays away from the wheels, since we do have the beautiful satin carbon wheels on from Blackstone Tech. The Star Tech wheels, which are freaking badass. Probably my favorite carbon wheel I've ever seen. It is so good. So the fastest way for him to do this, and actually what allows it to be reusable.
Way.
Yeah, the only way. Well, can't you like press these off or something? Oh, so you do have to shave it down. Oh, okay. So he's gonna shave these down. This is the master link, and then you can pull the link off and get the chain off. And then there's the final result right there. Now you can pull the master link off and get that chain out of there. And then we'll weigh all this too. Okay, just like that. The stock chain is coming off. The nice thing is, it's like I said, it's a 520, so we can reuse the stock sprocket, which we're going to, because it makes no difference. So that one can just stay in place, which makes this whole process a little bit easier than normal. And I guess now you can take the rear wheel off. Cool. All right, wheel is out. And now we can pull this off, which we just put on in the last video. But this time it'll be staying on. One other thing I would say too, Manny, if you have, I know these came with the wheels, the carbon wheels. If you have these in black, I would love that. I would prefer that over silver, if possible. If not, if these are like a special one that have to be with this hub set up for the carbon wheel, then no worries. But yeah, if I can get these in black, I'll go ahead and try and get those. All right, Tina Wieners with her backpack on for some reason
I got places to be.
is gonna weigh all of the new parts that we're putting on. So the chain, the sprocket. Oh, it locked. I locked on you.
That took too long.
You did. Okay.
Oh no.
Oh geez. Oh
666.
no.
Maybe we should add something else.
6 pounds, 6.6 ounces. What are the
Yikes.
chances?
Yikes.
There's our first look at the new rear sprocket, which is aluminum, versus the stock one, which was steel. And we'll weigh all the stock parts once we're done, once we get everything off. But that looks really nice. Like I said, if we had black nuts board, it would look super good. But for now, we'll roll with what we got. Oh, and he got the chain adjusters on too, the blacked out ones from Duca Bike. Very, very nice. And then we'll make the adjustments for the chain once we get the wheel on. All right, the nice thing about these Duca Bike chain adjusters is that they still have the slide in, quick release, whatever you want to call them. So the wheel still sits in there. So that makes his life easier to put everything back together, which is really nice that Duca Bike does that. Now the black on black looks badass. So Caleb just came up with a really good idea to save a bunch of weight. We're just gonna use a zip tie for the master link. How cool is that? And we're gonna link it to the old chain, so we have a super long, world's longest, lightest chain ever. Look, even Teens knows we're full of shit. There's people on this video, Teens.
Let's just see it happen.
Oh, okay. But yeah, he's just using that to feed the new chain through. Makes his life a little bit easier. Look at that gold. It's gonna be so nice, a little pop of color against all the carbon. Beautiful. And then we can weigh all the stock parts. Actually, I guess we're still waiting for the kickstand, but we're almost there. All right, so he moved the chain adjusters roughly to where they were in the stock position, and then he can see how many links he needs to take off, which you can see right there. He's gonna grind it down, get rid of them, and then we should be good to move on. All right, just like that, the chain and sprocket and chain adjusters are done, and they look fantastic. The black with the black and the gold just really sets it off with the carbon wheels behind it too, and then the black rear spools. And again, we're gonna have carbon here for the swing arm, carbon here and it's going to look a lot better as well. And then same thing on this side, that looks really nice. I am going to get a black nut for this right here. Oh, he still has to do the rear, what's it called, brake. Put that back on, but he's going to do the kickstand real quick. That way I can weigh this versus the stock kickstand. That kickstand might actually be heavier. Now we'll weigh everything. Remember, 6 pounds, 6.6 ounces is what the new stuff added. All right, so we finally got all the stock parts off the bike. He's putting the new kickstand on right now, and I just put it all on the scale, and you're looking at 7 pounds, 10.9 ounces. We'll just call it 7 pounds, 11 ounces, minus the 6 pounds, 6 ounces. So yeah, it's like 1.4, 1.5 ounces more. So that's actually some pretty solid weight savings. I didn't think we would save that much. Happy with that, like it. All right, Caleb's all done. He just rolled it out here for us. So shout out to him. He did a phenomenal job, and this looks just amazing. The black on black with the gold accent piece,
That kickstand.
and then the kickstand in black,
I'm in love with
right?
it. Yeah,
It looks
huge difference.
so good. Here, if you hold this, teens, I'm gonna pick up the bike so I can put the kickstand up so they can see it. Then you can actually get a
Oh,
look at
just
this,
flush.
right? How
You
good
can't
is
really
that?
even see it.
You can't? Yeah,
Yeah.
that's good. You want that to disappear.
It looks
anyway.
really good.
Yeah, I'm super happy with it. So,
Gorgeous.
huge shout out to Warhorse. They are an official sponsor of the build series. If you guys want anything from Warhorse, including bikes, service, parts, mention my name, Campisi, you'll save money. Big shout out to Moto Million for sending out all these parts. I just chatted with Manny. He's going to get a bunch more parts sent out. And you can use my code Campisi there as well. If you want to be entered to win this bike, patreon.com/Campisi Customs. It's going to be full carbon fiber, the world's first. It's always the first link in the description below. So thank you to Team Winners for your unboxing prowess, and get out there and enjoy the final month or two of riding if you're in the east, on the East Coast, or in the Northeast, or anywhere where it's going to get cold. Get those rides in,
Winter's coming.
and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.